Hey everybody, welcome back to Maddie
and Alice's YouTube channel. But my hair is in my way.
Me and Alice are gonna try to make a very big hole. And we're gonna try to go through it, okay? So first, and we're gonna try to teach you how to do it. So first, cut some strips out of some paper. It doesn't matter which color it is.
Yeah. Look at me. Look at me. I'm a tree house. Madeline, look at me. I'm a tree house. I am a tree house. I am a tree house. I am a baby house.
It can be little strips, big strips.
But I'm a tree house.
I would prefer little I would prefer maybe thin strips.
Thin? Not thin.
Because then you'd have more paper and that will make it bigger. So just cut out some of those strips.
No, I don't want to be a baby.
You hear Alice? Okay, last strips. Get it? I'm cutting out one, but it's actually two. Okay, so now I have so much strips. Let's move this treehouse out of the way. Alice, come here. Come here, Alice. So now you take some strips, tape them together. I want to see if this works out or not. We're going to also see if it works out.
I'm baby. I like babies. You're not really yes, I am.
Okay, so then we have one big whole strip. Then keep taping it. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Nom, nom, nom.
Bye. Bye, little buttons.
Alice, want to help me? It's
No.
pretty fun.
No. It's so forgetting again. Do you want to learn to sew? We're going to have to get back to you. I'm just sad. I want it. A famous hearts and the stuff. I want it all. I want it.
Okay, so this is kind of bending out to be a good thing. I think it's not bigger than me yet. Weird. I already made it so big or long. Alice, why are you laughing at me? Do you need the tickle?
No, I was laughing at my bed broke.
Yeah, so today me and Alice were playing. Then Alice was Baby Bear, and then Alice was trying to get in her bed, and then Alice was like, "Uh-oh, my bed broke."
That was super funny.
Yeah.
That was super funny, right? Go on,
It was the funniest of all.
Yeah. What goes in there? She's going faster than me. Go faster. Oh, I'm at her house.
You happy you're at her house?
No, I'm playing with something.
But are you happy you're at her house?
No.
Why not?
Good.
Shall we talk about it?
No.
Okay, I think this was the last strip But anywhere that it's kind of pointing out, you probably want to tape.
Welcome to Madeline and Alice's
YouTube channel.
podcast.
We're not doing a podcast, Alice. Literally, if you want to do a podcast, then you can quit the YouTube channel. JK, that means just joking or just kidding. I mean, they should make something called JJ, just joking. Okay, see, this one's like long, so I want to take the tip of it to the paper. That's what you kind of have to be aware of. Okay, now let's see. Do you think, and you have, this is kind of a challenge from Innovation Lab. You have to use one sheet of paper.
You're going to play house open. Now I'm going to go up my elevator.
Okay, this is kind of not what I was thinking about. So I'm just probably gonna untape this.
And now I'll go in.
Put it on my pants, or if you're at a table, maybe you can put it on the side of your table, and then you could use a piece of paper and use the tape that you put on your table or something like that to tape the thing that the next one on.
But I have buses in them. And I'm not even being there this week.
Okay.
Not Goldilocks is not baby bears, and also not Mama Bear.
Okay, I think this is enough. Oh, here's one. Found something sticking out.
Bobby. This is Bobby. There's Bobby. This is Bobby.
Elsa's really weird. Just saying that.
I'm Bobby. I'm lucky Bobby. Good morning, Mom.
Okay, Alice. Now it's not time for that.
I'm Bobby.
You're Bobby.
No, I'm not.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Yes, you were.
I'm super Bobby.
You're super Bobby.
I know I have straight ears.
You know you have straight ears.
No straight hair.
Straight hair.
I know I don't have long nose.
I know I don't have. Okay, Alice, can you hold this? Like right here,
Why? That's a big circle.
and just hold it like this. Okay.
Yeah, and has swimming pool.
Just hold it like that, and then let's see if I can. And then make sure this touches the ground. And you can tape this to the ground. I'm gonna tape this to the ground. Okay, ready?
Now you hold this and I'm gonna go through.
Okay. Okay, try going through.
My turn now.
Okay, good. That was fun, right, Alice? So that's how you make a very big circle that you can go through.
Bye.
No, we're not done yet. If you want to, you could have decorated those strips before you put them on. But it might take more time, so I didn't really do it.
that's golden.
Oh, and for this, and this is only for like people who wanna like do like this. You don't have to. I mean, just so if you do have it, ooh, this is actually pretty sticky. Okay.
Maddie, look, I got it off by myself.
Alice, don't do that.
What?
Don't do that. Do you know why?
Why? Why? Why?
Because, well, like, we don't want to waste them all. Like, that's kind of our last gold. Okay, so you have, and this is, like, you can have tape, and then you can tape, that gold, like, bow on to your circle, like this. There. And then I have something to get for people.
It's a cat symbol. No, I have cat symbol. Oh, I have a cat in my greenhouse.
So, if it's your birthday today or if it's coming up, then I have something for you. Ready? Set. Tell me when to go.
Go.
One moment. It has to like.
It's gonna get some fire.
No, it's not.
What?
We don't have any fire in our room. Birthday to you. Happy
It's gonna
birthday.
run out.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Stop it.
Okay, so just happy birthday if your birthday's coming up or something, or if it was like a few days ago, still happy birthday.
They'll be swimming in her Lego swimming pool. Bobby's excited to swim in it.
Yay, the swimming pool. Is that what she says?
No. She's going in. She can't say anything.
But, again,
No.
well, just happy birthday, everybody, and just, we're all in this together, so don't panic. And hope you liked today's video. See you next time. Bye.